Welcome to Mank Benzine YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, like and share the video. Thank you.
So in this video we are going to learn how to upload a video on your YouTube channel, and all that you've got to do is you press on your YouTube icon. When you press on your YouTube icon, then you can see that there's a plus button just right under the corner, or should I say the middle here. Then you press on that plus button. You can see that there's something like create a short video, upload the video, go live. But let's say I want to go and upload a video. This one, if you want to go live, then the live is maybe if you are a certain place and you want to pick up a certain video, then you just do that, right? And if you have your short, they'll have a certain video edition that they call it a YouTube Shorts. Then you make sure that you upload that, but as of now I want to upload a new video, so I press on upload video. Then there are so many, you can see that there are so many videos here, but this is the video I want to upload, so I will press on that video. Then when you press on it, if you want to check through how the video moves, then you can wait to watch, but as a matter of fact there's no time for me, so all I've got to do is continue. Then when you do next, then have to press next. If you want to do your small editing and those things, you can stop at the other side and do it. But here I have to take you through all the procedures one after the other, so that when uploading your video on YouTube you don't have any problem. So from there you can see a certain bar here like title, so you title the video the way you want. So let's just title it according to this video that I'm making. So what we'll do is how to upload a video on YouTube. Then after that, don't forget to come and set your public this, so that maybe if you know you don't want your video to go publicly, then maybe you want it anyone with the link can search. Then maybe the people that you are sending your link to are the only people who can do the search. Then when we come here private, only people you choose can view. You can come and do that, but for me I think my video should go publicly, and as usual I've already searched, so you just leave it and you move back. Then what is left with, you go to your audience. The audience is very important. We need to keep our young ones safe. Some usually post videos like pornographic or other kind of bad videos on YouTube. So if you know your video is searched, please try your best. Come here and let them know that the video is not made for kids, so that YouTube can know where to classify your videos. But yes, if it is made for kids, all we've got to do is to press on yes, it's made for kids, right? No, I think I'm saying the other way. No, it should be like this, because if you press on yes, made for kids, that means that's the kid one. So all you can do is no, it's not made for kids, so you come and press on this one to show that yes, the video is not made for kids. But sometimes you make videos which are like kids one, so you press on that one, then you move back. After that, I think the next thing is we can check on how to put our video description. Okay, the instructions are even here. We've got something like, regardless of your location, you are legally required to complete with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act (COPPN) and or other laws, you are required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids. What's content made for kids? Okay, you can go and do your investigation just right here. So if I want to upload my video, all I could do is upload to short. Then you wait for it to upload. My video is regardless short, so it's ultimately, or should I say actually, going to the short content like that. So all you can do is wait for the video to load. But if you want to see where or how the video might come on, you just press just right at your right corner, then your logo, or should I say where you should pass to your channel, then press on your channel. Then when you come, because it's still loading, you just got to check your videos. It's still loading, so you've got to have some patience and wait small for it to load. So now that it's loading, I think I'll stop here. Thanks for the time, and please, this is a motivation to you. Keep on uploading videos on YouTube. One day, I know your time will surely come and you will surely shine. Thank you.